My boat, not that kind of Disney cruise, unfortunately. And number 3, that's my favorite one. Please remain seated. Keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, supervise your children. Clear. I don't have children. I don't want to watch your children. Children, watch your parents. I don't trust your parents. I have never been yelled at by a child before. Only by parents. So yeah, that's probably why. Okay? So wave goodbye to all the beautiful people over there. Bye, beautiful people. Alrighty, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous for being famous around the world. My name is Skipper Marcos. I'll be your guide, social director, and your dance instructor for the next 3 weeks. And if something bad happens or you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll also be your swimming instructor. Okay? Alright, we're now entering the Amazon rainforest. Funny thing about the Amazon rainforest is that it rains 365 days a year. That's crazy. That's almost every other day. But if you look around, you might see some of our Amazonian margarine flies, and I know exactly what you're thinking, guys. I can't believe they're not butter flies, and it doesn't get any better, guys. No, no. Yeah, it's gonna be tough 10 minutes for some of you guys. Okay. All right, we have inspiration falls. You know, some people ask me, Skipper Marcos, why do we call it inspiration falls? And I tell them it's because when you stare at it for too long, it inspires you to go. That's the beat note. Yeah, that's my number one. So it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle that is distant and beautiful. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Everybody say, Skipper Marcos, you're doing a great job. Thank you all, that's inspirational. We're going to drink the Congo River, so let's see how far we can go. We have boats, baits, and bikes. You know, my friends, I have this party planned for you guys. Yeah, a huge welcome party. I made food. I haven't invited all my friends, but I don't see anyone. Canoe? Canoe? See anyone now? Oh yeah, that's probably why. That's a python sitting in that tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. You know how I can tell that's a python and not a boa? Boas have feathers. They do. That's a big one, dude. Yeah. Oh no. What, is that my... Yeah, that's my car, guys. Look what they did to my Jeep. They left the lights on. I'll never get it to turn over. Alright, we're entering the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa. It goes for Niles and Niles. And Niles and Niles. And Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you might be in Africa. Set it back there, guys. Please pay attention. Thank you. But to your left, we have the African bull elephant. You know, my friends. Fun fact about elephants, they can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals in the world. Crazy, right? Yeah, just hold on to that information. That's going to be important for later. For now, we're entering the African belt. With a huge range of animals going all the way from here to there. We have the gray horses, the long neck horses, tiny horses, the stripy horses, the horses with wings. Oh, look at that pride of lions looking over that. Sleeping stripy horse. Yeah, she looks dead. Tired. Don't worry, I wonder what's going through her head right now. Teeth. Probably. But this right here, this is my friend Skipper Felix. You know, today was his first day. Probably his last one too. But you want to know something fun about rhinos, my friends? They can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals in the world. That's crazy, right? But fun facts about humans, they can. Yeah, I remember my first day, guys. I remember someone told me those waters were infested with alligators. So if you by any chance end up in the water, you don't have to swim fast. You just have to swim faster than the person right next to you. So that's just what the reason, I guess. Yeah, look at him, that's Smiley, and that's his girlfriend Ginger. But be careful with Ginger, guys. Ginger snaps. Bunch of cooking. But fun fact about alligators, my friends, they can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals in the world. That's crazy, right? Now right in front of you have the most beautiful view you have ever seen in your entire life. And behind me we have two white circles. You know, it'd be like our thing. This very old thing, very beautiful, very special to me. Goes something like Django chasing waterfalls, Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I live by that, my friends. I truly do. Now, little safety message before we continue. Plane crashing like that in the middle of the jungle can only mean one thing, guys. It's just one thing. Hippos. Alright, we're now entering a pool of hungry hippos. But don't worry, my friends. I know how to scare them away. I've been training for a very long time. I'll scare them away the same way I did my last relationship.
I love you. I want to commit a relationship. You want to meet my mom?
Yeah, I think that worked. They're really scared of commitment. Now we'll never hear from them again. And I know you guys are going to say, oh, Skipper Marcos, your job is so easy. Even a monkey could do it. Yeah, but those are apes. It looks like they're telling their own jokes. But let me see if I can translate some for you guys again. Nope. Aw, look at those two. That's so cute. They're playing with the butterflies. Yeah, I mean, it's a shame, guys. I think it's a real shame because those butterflies are just not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Guys, they used to be caterpillars, yeah. And now, for the moment, you have all been waiting for the amazing, the colossal, the spectacular, the eighth wonder of the world, the one, the only, the backside of water! I love that. So if you like that joke, I like to tell chemical jokes periodically. You usually get a good reaction. Yeah. I mean, they really put me in my element, but I have this other one about oxygen and potassium. It was just okay. Alright, we're now entering the Mekong River in Cambodia. Looks like we have a temple up ahead. That temple is very dark. It's really Mekong nervous. Someone told me there was this tiger. Himalayan. Sometimes they see Himalayan over there, or they see him, laying over here. I just don't know where he's right now. So let's go ahead and check. Oh, no. Yeah, right now you can see he was standing over there. Tigers, they can reach up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals in the world. That's crazy, right? But now we're entering an Indian elephant bathing pool. Feel free to take pictures, guys. Don't worry, they all have their trunks on. You might think that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. Aw, look at those baby elephants playing. That's so cute that you'll never see again. Unless you're me. Every 10 minutes. Because I work here. Okay, let's get out of here. No. Skippy. No. Down. Okay. No, Skippy. Okay. Hold on. Everyone, stack everyone! You know, my friends over there, you can at least try to play along too, you know? No? Okay. Alright, you know, the jungle is home of a wide variety of plants. So let me point out a few of my favorites for you guys, okay? Yeah? Yeah, any questions, comments, concerns? No? No, let me just tell you about some of my favorites who's asking and participating so much. That one up there, that's the hibiscus. This one down here, that's the lobiscus. That one in the water, that's the seabiscus. And that one all the way back there, hidden in the jungle, yeah, no, that's none of your biscuits. Also, another thing about plants. You know what's the scariest plant? Scariest plant? No? That's the bamboo. That's the scariest stuff. Okay, we have our little gift shop. Yeah, you see, even the monkeys came when they found out our prices were bananas. Now everyone, please, smile for the camera, say cheese. not a real camera, guys. It's not a real camera. Viewer smiling. Embarrassing. Alright. Safety. Remain seated. Keeping hands, arms, feet and legs inside the boat. Parents supervise your children. If you're sitting on the side, keep those arms inside the boat, all the way inside the boat, including your elbows. We don't want any unnecessary peer pressure. And that dock over there looks very hard to replace, very expensive. And if you, my friends, are sitting on this side, please make sure you exit out the back door. Do not go over those center crates. See the center crates? Please don't go over those center crates. It's a fire hazard. You go over those center crates, you fall, I will laugh, and I'll get fired. So please don't do that one. Wouldn't be a very great idea.